Okay, here we go. Okay, everyone. Today we are doing a 2019 revisit of a Shell station on Don Mills Road, and they have a soft touch car wash. This is a newer Belanger tunnel. So yeah, let's see how well it goes. We got ultimate wash. It was $13.99 with our gas purchase, and with tax, it came to $15.81. So let's see how this goes. Down this track.
Welcome to Shell Canada. Please enter your 5-digit code now.
Okay, what is it?
Your code has been accepted. Please place your car in neutral, without braking or steering. Have a great day. Thank you.
Yeah, car's in neutral. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this. And once again, this is a newer Belanger tunnel.
Welcome to Shell Canada. Please enter your 5-digit code now.
Okay, I guess I can park right here and see how well for washed it. Okay. Okay. Let's see how well for washed it. Okay, clean for tires very well. Drive them do well here. But did well for hood, except here. Okay, for front. Drive them do well here. It did do well for side. You can see. Anyways, drive them do well for back. Left a little bit of soap. Stuff like that. So yeah. And also clean for tires and stuff like that. And that's how for car wash did. I'm in a hurry right now to get on the road because there's a car behind me. So yeah, this wash did a great job. Not bad for $13.99. Been since 2 weeks since I did a car wash video. So yeah, anyways, highly recommend this shell. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always. And that will be it.